My name is Galia Lizondo, and I've been in the academy for 4 weeks. And I'm very excited. I want to do rent to essays and deal sourcing, but it has been great just connecting with people. And I already have some in this. Like today, I secured a day JV with some nice people. So yeah, so it's been great.
Amazing. And tell me what it's like watching Samuel and Samuel work.
Well, he has like this energy that is very contagious. So I think I'm just very energetic just to do my first deals because I'm just starting out, and it creates this energy that you just want to do it. And that's what he says, just do it. If you want to do it, just find a way to do it. And that's what I'm where I'm going. So
And
yeah.
have you seen anyone kind of land deals in the room?
Um, well, I think no. Well, yeah. I mean, yesterday we saw 20 something people landing lease options in just 20 minutes. So that was really great.
How does that make you feel?
Well, it makes you feel like you can do anything, really. And it's just a property. And I've been doing loads of side jobs. And I think property is going to be my way of really securing my lifetime investment and what I want to do in my long term